Hello students, today we are going to study practical from adulteration of food. First thing, what is adulteration? Adulteration means addition or subtraction of any substance to the food so that natural composition and quality of food is affected. That means what? When we add something or when we remove something from the original food and therefore that food quality or composition will be affected or it will be damaged. Food adulteration generally include either addition, substitution, removal, putting of some decomposed food, misbranding, giving false label, or addition of some toxic substance. Let us study the method to find out such adulterant in the turmeric powder. Here in table you can see that adulterant like aniline dye, yellow lead salt, metanyl yellow color, chalk, etc. are added and which causes cancer, toxicity and indigestion in the body. Let us study the method to find out the adulteration in turmeric powder. First method we will use to detect the presence of yellow lead salt in turmeric powder. For that we will take 2 gram of turmeric powder and concentrated hydrochloric acid is added. If appearance of magenta color, then it shows the presence of yellow oxides in turmeric powder. Let us perform the practical and observe it. Let's test the presence of yellow salt in turmeric powder. So here we take a sample of turmeric into the test tube. Now we will add hydrochloric acid. If there will be presence of magenta color, it indicates that presence of yellow metal oxide. So as you can see, on addition of hydrochloric acid, there is a magenta color, which indicate that presence of yellow oxide salt in the first sample. Now let us check the second sample in the similar way. So now we will add HCl in it and observe whether there is a presence of magenta color or not. So as you can see, on addition of HCl, no magenta color appear, which means that the second sample of turmeric is pure form. Let us check now presence of chalk. For this, we will take 2 gram of turmeric powder in a test tube and few drops of water as well as hydrochloric acid is added. If there is an effervescence, it indicates presence of chalk in the turmeric powder. Let us perform the practical and observe it. Now let us test the presence of chalk in the turmeric powder. For this, we will take 2 gram or some amount of turmeric powder in a test tube and will add water to it. Now to this water solution we will add concentrated HCl solution, and if effervescence comes, then there is a presence of chalk powder. So as you can see that there are no such effervescences, that means the first sample is pure. Now let us check the second sample. So again we will take some amount of turmeric powder and we will add water to it. Now we will add HCl and see if there are any effervences. So here you can see that there are some effervences on addition of HCl, which indicate that there is a presence of chalk in the turmeric powder. Let's study the method to find out metanyl yellow. A sample of turmeric powder is to be taken and sulfuric acid is added to the sample. If red color disappear on adding distilled water, it indicates the presence of metanyl yellow. Let us perform the practical and observe it. Test the presence of metanyl yellow. Again we will take a sample of turmeric into the test tube. To this sample we will add sulfuric acid. As you can see, there is a red type of color which on addition of water so you can see that the red color remains the same. That means the sample is pure. Now let us similarly check the second sample and see what is the result. If the red color disappears, it means that the sample is adulterated. So you can see that the color of the solution disappears and it converts to brown color, which indicate that the second sample is adulterated with metanyl yellow. So with this we can conclude that there are some food products which are adulterated, and due to the adulteration it causes both physical and mental disorder. Hence we must avoid eating such food and we should take necessary action against such company or individual to protect human health.